This is about to be the big reveal. Been waiting for these bags to come for, oh my God, for so long. I'm excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys. Guys, look at this. These are our body scrubs. How amazing, how beautiful. Oh my God. Guys, we going in, okay? 2021, Sanai skin is evolving. Oh my God. Baby. Look at this color. Baby. Oh my God. Come here, glow, baby. Baby. Hey. Okay, y'all. Listen. This is it, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Like, we official, y'all. Thank God. This is nothing but God. And we got thousands of these things. Oh, y'all, we serious. Like, we not playing games. Like, this is for the culture. I'm excited. I'm geeked out. I'm so geeked. I'm too excited. Like, I can't even, like, this is beautiful. Like, after speaking to countless amount of vendors, you have no idea. From America, China, in Europe, America, like, I was talking to so many people, like, and it's here, it's made, it's here. Like, this is, bruh, like, I probably spoke to hundreds of vendors, like, and they finally are here. Nothing but God. Sanai skin. We coming, y'all. We coming. I told y'all the rebranding and the relaunch was gonna be lit. Scrubs on deck, baby. Sanitary, baby. Sanitary. Like, this is, baby, we official out here.